and look at me. Come on, pose, man. Yeah, come. This is Norman. Come in the light. What you do? Yeah, Norman. You. So this is Norman now doing his thing. You get me? This is what Norman does on a regular. What,
in the middle of the night?
Well, I don't know about in the middle of the night. It's only because of me you're late, right? This is Norman. So he's gonna pick up his goats and thing now. So
yeah.
Go on.
All right. So this is what I have to go through. The tribulation. This is what happens when you don't pick them up early.
Oh, okay. Blame me for that.
It's all good. All right. So yeah, part of the house all round.
Okay. Sit that.
Have you got a light?
I got a little bit of a light, not much, but a little.
Alright, you might need a light to see where your head and everything.
Yeah.
Just need to see where you're stepping.
I can smell goat shit though. Rotted. Norman, you ain't joking. On Rocky Road with there. There ain't even no. There ain't even a path, blood. Oh, what you doing?
Right,
I see a bat. Norman, was that a bat?
Alright, so there's one there. Oh, that's a flavor. You can hold the light then.
I can hold the light.
Hold the light and undo them. So you can hold the light and just. I just want to see where the rope is.
Goat 101, isn't it? There you go.
Yeah.
So it's a frisky.
It's the hold. Put your foot on the rope.
She's Norman with his goats.
Yeah. See. All right.
When I work him thing, is it there? A YouTube star, you know. You're a star, sir.
Come.
But he said it's too late now, really and truly.
This is horny. Alright, shine the light over there because it's in my eye, I can't see. Yeah, so the next one.
Alright, so. So you purposely tying them up for a reason why? So they don't run there?
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to let him go. I just want to see. Right, yes, sir. Can I see? Oh.
She good there.
Yeah,
Well behaved. Well behaved, Joe.
Show me the light, yes, sir. So I can see what's going on here. Alright. Simple thing. Oh, money.
What? Oh, yeah, sir. I shot, I caught, yeah, look. So do they know where to go though, Norman?
Yeah, man, they're just going to run off home.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
That good a memory, yeah?
This is calling me. The first one I let go.
You have
was
name?
Horny. Yeah, man, they all got names.
Oh, okay.
The first one was Horny. The second
Horny?
one was Charlie.
That's me talking now, obviously.
Alright, make sure I got... This is calling me. Oh, come on.
So why is he bucking? So this is a boy, right?
Yeah, they're all males.
They're all males.
Yeah.
So where's the girls at?
The girl's already in.
Oh, okay.
Because they don't get tied, so...
What, purposely they don't get tied?
Yeah.
Why? Because they hang around the males? Is
Yeah,
that how it
they'll either
works?
hang around the males or they can go and forage for their food. Where,
Really?
Yeah, if
Okay.
these go on the road and walk about with the male,
Yeah,
people will drive by and say, wow, ram. And they just pick him up and throw him in the back.
Ah, boy, look how fast the goat gone. Me granny, it's no way out to go.
Yeah, see how they
It's gone, man. Look how fast the goat run, though. Ain't no joke.
Right,
How many you got left?
That was two, and then there's one. Right. I can hear one along here somewhere. Oh.
Who are these?
All right. So,
These are tie up?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah,
Alright,
tie
there's
up.
one
They're
here.
tie up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This
Right,
is barbed
just
wire,
got
by
the-
the way.
yeah,
See
yeah.
the barbed
Just
wire? Oi, oi.
the rope here, and you have to pull them back in.
Yeah, yeah,
Or
yeah.
you cut, and then step on the rope so that they
They don't
you
pull
know,
it
yeah.
while you're
So
doing
you
it.
can, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Pull it.
And these big goats been out all day, right?
Wow, yeah.
From morning, right?
Yeah, man. From the morning when you see, when you see me coming back in,
So what time you normally take them out?
I
About
normally
5, 6,
Now, man, what I normally do is 10 o'clock
10 o'clock?
because you was here, so I took them up a little early.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
alright,
yeah.
so what I'm gonna do is show my
Well,
thing there.
Go between that.
Hold
on,
hold on, cuz.
Hold on, Nena.
Oh, God.
Man, you get juke up.
Yeah, so did you see what I just did?
Yes, I did.
Alright, do you want me to carry the light and then you can...
No, I can do it.
Alright, okay.
Just put your foot on it. Put your foot on it. Your foot. Put your foot on it. Yeah, okay. And if I get juke up, then get juke up.
Hold on, let me...
No, hold on, Nena.
Alright, put the light on it so you can see, alright.
Alright, cool. Me gone clear.
Alright. So
This is
now-
Norman doing his farming thing, imagine that. Yeah.
Alright, so you see the little one here with her... with
Oh,
this
that's a
little
kid,
one?
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
here's the next
They do they normally stay together?
Yeah, that's why I tied them.
So the kids are loose, but the mother's tied up.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
here's the next... Hold on.
It's a kid there, sir.
Let me get the...
So you don't have to tie up the kids then?
No, the kids don't go no, they just stay by their mum.
Oh, okay.
Because they're too young to really wander like that.
Really? They
can't-
don't wander around?
Yeah, they don't wander
They stay
like
with
that.
their mum and
when
all
they
that?
get to a certain age, then they start moving.
Oh,
You know, they get
right.
independent.
Funny that though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how old before they start to move? Away from the mother sort of
With,
thingy? How old?
Well, about say 4 months.
4 months?
Yeah, these
Okay.
these are like a little 2-month-old goats and whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so you see they're all...
Yeah, running around and that. There's a lot of grass around here though, so there's a whole heap of feed around here, isn't it?
Feel them all.
Yeah, yeah. That's good, Norman, man. Total control, mate. And there's more, so there's no more tie up then?
Huh?
There's no more goats tie up?
No. Because all the women, what is, as you come through,
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Cool. So Norman, so like, this is on a daily basis?
Yeah, this is every day, every night kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Sometimes you might can get away with leaving them out, but because there's dogs, you rather
Okay.
bring them in.
Right.
Look, in. Get it.
And they follow your command as well. That's kind of interesting.
The what?
They follow your command.
Yeah, man. I mean,
Is it because they know you for a long time or something?
it's because they've got a routine. So they know.
Look at the gathering. I mean, like, look how many. Look how many of them. Look how
Can you
many,
see
look.
all those in there?
Wow.
Can you see them in? No, you ain't looking in the pit.
I'm looking.
Look,
Can I go in and then run in?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's interesting, Norman. Great.
And that's it. So normally now, when they're in,
Yeah,
I take ropes off of some of them, not all of them.
Yeah.
But like Charlie now.
right.
Charlie, come.
So that's a big one. What's his name?
Yeah, Charlie.
Charlie. Hello,
King
Charlie. Show me his head. Show me his face. Hello, Charlie. So what's so special
Calm,
about
calm.
Charlie?
He's the ram. He's the one that service all the women them.
Well, he breed them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why he's King Charlie. Charlie, man. That's why
Yeah. So hold on a minute. So it's just one ram goat?
No, I had another one, but then I've just sold it the other day.
Right.
In fact, I sold it the day when Auntie when
Passed
was burying
away.
Auntie
Really?
there.
Okay.
So,
That's interesting.
Right, anyway, I'm just going to put this in. I'll do that tomorrow when I can see it. Right, so I just put up the ropes.
And that's it.
No, I still got another ram.
What, to pick up?
No, they should be all in here, but I have to make sure. Alright, there's currently.
So, I mean, like, Norman, in your opinion, what do we class them as? Dogs or cats?
Well, you could say like dogs. Like,
Really? Oh, okay. They're kind of loyalish?
they kind of take command or whatever. You kind of herd them up
Yeah.
and whatever. So I tried this. Curry meat to the tree here, and there's horny as well.
Right.
Why? Because they can cause problem in the night time.
Right.
With the you goats.
Yeah.
Goats are the women goats.
Okay. Seriously amazing. And that's a kid there, look.
And
That's a young'un. How old is this kid, Norman?
yeah, he ain't even 2 months yet.
Not even 2 months old?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's his Brownie. That's his mum.
Oh, that's his mum? Oh, okay.
That's called Brownie.
Browning.
This is called Winner.
Still eating, by the way.
Yeah, man.
Can't
Winner,
stop eat.
there's half pint.
That's a nice ram goat there, don't it?
Here,
It's even got a collar. So does that mean that the collar means something?
no, the collar means that it's easy for me to just untie them or whatever. You know, I put collars on all of them
Right.
instead of putting.
And I noticed none of them are bucking, by the way.
No, man, right. So I've
Very docile.
curry meat. All right. Brownie. I normally take the rope off of her. All the ones that's got a baby as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because sometimes if the baby's around and they can get themselves twist up
Yeah.
with the baby and you know. Come on,
Okay.
So.
Shh, calm down.
So.
So how do you do it? So do you normally talk to them?
Ram. Him, huh?
So do you normally talk to them?
Yeah, man. That's
And do you reckon they understand what you're saying?
yeah,
Or?
yeah. It's like being soothing. Like
Okay.
you say, yeah, okay, Brandon.
And they listen and they calm
kinda,
down.
Yeah, calm, yeah. If you're
Alright.
kind of aggressive, they're gonna hard
Pick
to
it
catch
up.
them. Hard to catch them.
Right.
Go.
So you have to be kind of like an open soul kind of
Yeah,
biscuit.
yeah. Kind of have to ease them and.
Yeah. And which one's this one? This one looks very well behaved. Winnet.
Winnet.
Hello,
This
Winnet.
is her son here. Right here.
Ah, okay. And this guy looks proper serious, doesn't he? He looks ready. He looks like he wants to be a superstar, Norman.
Winnet. I tell you why I call her Winnet. What?
He still wants to be a superstar,
I
Norman.
used to know a skinny girl at school.
Yeah.
She was skinny and she kind of, her back legs she had bendy legs.
Yeah.
And it reminds me of her, so I said, yeah man, that's Winnet. This one is Tracy.
Yeah. Which one is what, the white one?
This one
What, the white one? The white one?
Yeah, that one there, that's Tracy.
Tracy. Hello, Tracy. Look on you.
This is Miss Chin.
Miss Ching.
Miss Chin, C-H-I-N, Miss Chin.
Chin.
Miss Chin and her two ones. That's one of her here and that's the second one. That's her two kids here.
All right.
Miss Chin and her
Okay.
two kids.
Okay. Miss Ching, where is her? Come on, let me take a good picture of you, Miss Ching. She looks pregnant, or am I
Yeah,
dreaming?
man, most of them are pregnant.
Really?
Yeah, man.
All right.
And there's
Miss Ching. Where's the Majesty one?
Her Majesty's here. She's pregnant.
Is that the kid?
Yeah.
Oh, what the white one?
Yeah. And then
Fairly
the
big,
one
right?
behind the going, that's Elaine.
Which one?
Behind
Elaine.
Majesty.
I'm sure Elaine loved that one.
Then the ones, the Pinky and Perky.
Pinky and Perky.
One's kind of pink. Look, which one is this? This is
You ain't playing with the names, though,
right,
innit?
that's Pinky.
And the other one's Perky.
No, sorry, no, that's Perky. No, so I can't.
So how you know which one's which?
One's got a black line on their back,
Oh, right.
and it's kind of reddish like Pinky.
Oh, is
and
it?
One's called Perky.
So which one's this one then?
That's Pinky.
Is it
And
Pinky? You
that's
sure?
That's her man.
All right, okay.
Her man. All right. So
All right, you look kind
My
of
mum
happy.
is Elizabeth. This is Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth.
Right. So which was your favourite then? Out of any you that you will pick, which one do you think is the most?
Well,
sort of like
the one
favourite?
that liked me or whatever was Whitey, and I just sold him the other day.
Him. So it was a he.
Yeah, it's a big
Ram.
ram. All right.
All right.
I'm gonna show you the goat. What what I'm gonna.
Look at that. Chewing nice, huh?
I'm gonna show you.
But the leaf look brown. Why is he eating brown leaf? Brown leaf? Mm-hmm. What if you're calling you best stand up then?
Charlie's hiding because Charlie thinks I'm gonna look.
So why you calling me? What you call for? If you're not turn up.
Where's no dick? Where's no dick? No dick.
No, we can see the style concept.
Where's no dick?
That one looks twist up.
I don't see no.
That one's got his leg twist up now. That one, the leg twist up, look. Tie up in the rope.
right,
What do you do with something like that?
Right.
Twist up his leg, mate. Yeah. So you have to kind of teach them, right?
Yeah, man.
All right. What's the name of this one, though?
That's curry me.
Curry me.
Curry me.
Curry me.
Curry.
Hello, curry me. How about you hopping? You get me?
No dick. Where's no dick? No dick. And maybe hold on. Let me work with the light because no dick is can't see him.
Him there.
Right. Where's no dick? Unless he's round here. No, it's not round there. Right, where is no dick? Where's no dick there? Right. And this is no dick's mom.
Mm-hmm. Frisky, man. Listen to that. You're well frisky, innit? You sure you got all your goats though?
The light to be different. Right, this was the.
So what's so special about this one?
This was the. Remember, I was gonna. This was the little one.
Ah,
It wasn't the big one like him. It wasn't. Whitey, that's horny. This is no. This is what I was
Horny.
gonna-
Which one's horny?
This one. He don't business. He ain't
Horny, you know.
asking nothing. He ain't.
All right,
asking,
so
he's
he just
taking.
riding.
Yeah, he's right.
He just riding. Oh yeah. He's already looking for something.
Yeah.
Horny.
I have to tie him up because he's gonna make noise all night.
Is it gonna be fucking him all night?
It's
That bad?
Yeah.
Anyway, I say you're famous now, horny. Horny, huh? Look at the shape of the ram. Man, you broke it. Oh, you broke the string. Oh, isn't that strong?
I'm gonna have to catch him tomorrow.
All right, so we're done?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well done, Norman, man. At least you know who they are, though. You know, I mean, bottom line, right?
And then Charlie. I bet Charlie's in here. Hiding up. Just make sure. Oh,
Charlie in there.
and Charlie. Charlie.
What's so special about Charlie?
Well, remember, he's the main ram.
How old is
Charlie.
Charlie? How old is Charlie?
Charlie's a couple years. Him and Elizabeth was the
Alright.
originals who I started
Oh,
off
they're
with.
the original.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, so
right. So they've been here a few years,
Yeah,
obviously.
yeah. They're the ones I've had. They were the original kind of.
Hello, Charlie. How you doing? So how come he hasn't got any horns or anything like that?
No, well, some of them have horns and some don't.
Really?
Yeah,
And why
yeah.
is that? Why is that? Why
That's
is
just
that?
how it, that's just how it is.
Because you know what I'm thinking? Like
Some
every
have-
time that you think, you know, a ram or a male kind of goat has horns. Yeah. But it doesn't always like that. It's not always like that.
No.
Really?
No.
You see, I didn't know that.
It's a different type. It's a type of goat. There's a word for it or something now.
Really? Like what?
Jody might know the words for it. What do you call the goats with the horns?
Charlie.
Mumbo head.
Mungo head.
What? Say that again?
What?
Mumbo head.
Mumbo head. I want him so.
Things in this one, man.
The what?
Because they don't have any horn.
They don't have any horns.
The peelings in.
So what's so special about them? Why they ain't got no horns? Does it mean that they're more
It's a
horny?
breed. Maybe
Really?
they're more horny.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's nice to know.
That's the feeling from today.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
How did it go today? Yes, you're getting acquainted with the goats. He told you the names of them?
Yeah, he's gone through all of them. You want to see the video? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Norman, so you're proud of your goats then?
Love them.
Yeah, I noticed he loved it.
Very much.
Yeah, I noticed. You really see Norman love something.
You know? He said it.
Yeah, it's very rare you see Norman love something and take it to a next level.
Oh, and the new dish, the little one here, the little round Nelly.
Nelly, behave yourself. You sure say a Nelly in him?
This is Nelly. Yeah, that's
Imagine that.
Yeah, she was born
Yeah,
when
very
it was
calm,
going
very
through her
calm.
thing and
Is it?
I just walked in, I said, no, I've got a goat born and I have to look after, make sure.
Yeah.
Nelly, and I thought,
Nelly.
man, this is
Well,
Nelly.
there you go.
He's
So Nelly
around,
there.
but hey.
Oh, he's around, but he needs to grow. So how long before he's able to do anything? Like 2 years,
give him
3
about,
years?
say, no, man. What, before he starts jumping?
Yeah, and start to
Give
screw
him a
and
few,
thing.
maybe another 2 more months, 3 months.
Really? And they grow that fast?
And yeah.
Really? Wow, I hear that.
Especially the rams, they do grow up quite quick.
Yeah.
So I mean, he's the last born. But you see these 2 little ones.
Which ones? Which ones, the little ones?
These 2 ones. But
Yeah.
see how they're women.
Yeah.
But like he's nearly
right.
their height as well. Already. Rams grow a little bit faster than the ewes. These are 2 women. This is
straight.
all right. That's Perky. And that's Pinky.
All right.
One's got a black thin line around on his back.
Yeah, you mentioned,
and one's
yeah.
got horn and one ain't got horn.
Right. Well, there you go. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh.
Elaine, you are gonna love that one, Elaine.
Oh, Hershey. Where's Hershey?
I mean, they're literally lining to the water. Is that water there? Or is that feed?
She just gave me some feed to things.
Right.
I can't see Hershey. Where's Hershey? Can you see Hershey? Is that Hershey there? No, Hershey. Behind you.
So what kind of feed? Is that the breadfruit that you've got from the country then? More
Yeah, that's the what we just make the food out of.
Right.
You know, she just
The
peel.
breadfruit that you got from country? Is that what you put in there?
yeah.
They eat it really quickly though, don't
Yeah,
they?
man, they like breadfruit, man.
Yeah.
And no, I haven't, from the country, I haven't taken them out of the car yet. But I'll do
right.
that tomorrow.
Okay.
Give them tomorrow.
But they obviously like it though.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
And that's them.
That's that. I hear
Who
that.
else have I named? Oh, Hershey. Where's Hershey? Oh, right, Hershey.
That's Hershey?
Hershey.
So where's Hershey going?
Hershey bar.
Hershey, where you go? So it's a haunted, so.
There's Hershey and there's little Hershey, wherever her little one is.
Yeah.
I think that might be in there.
Alright.
And that's it, that's all of them.
That's all of them. Alright. Well done, Norman, man.
And I expect to see a good more 20 come next year.
Yeah?
Yeah, when they normally have a kid, it's normally 2 they have.
Yeah.
So there's over 10, I've got over 10 females, so
Right.
I'm gonna have, a good 20 coming through if everything is all right and they live and that. It's all about having the females. The more females you have, obviously, the more kids you can get, and then that's where your breed goes. That's where your herd.
Right, I hear that.
But with this, I want to put this all the way along to
What, across to the other side?
yeah. I mean, just
So what's the reason behind that? What's the
more goats can hold more goats.
Right,
And
right.
this is when it's raining, they just come in and whatever.
Yeah.
And then plus, if they're having babies, I can kind of put them in away from the others and make them do their thing.
Right, right.
And that's
It's
it.
a nice setup though, man. I have to say,
Yeah.
man. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool.
And then obviously there's the cook, which I will
Work
start
on
put
when you're
chickens
ready.
in. Yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah. All right, cool. So there you have it. There you have it, people. A goat tour.
Yeah.
So which one's this one again? This is the famous one. Look,
All right, that's Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, and the other one, the ram goats.
The ram is horny.
Horny. So you have Horny.
You look
and
how he
Elizabeth.
mashed from where he's going. So in the
Yeah, yeah.
night time, you might hear him because you're in the room. You might
You might hear him, all right.
going up. Yeah. Yeah. If it ain't him, it's gonna be Charlie.
Elizabeth and Horny. Imagine that. Check it. Elizabeth and Horny. All right, cool.
All right. So this is what I have to go through. Tribulation. This is what happens when you don't pick them up early.
Oh, okay. Blame me for that.
You can hold the light then.
I can hold the light.
Hold the light and undo them. So you can hold the light and just. I just want to see where the rope is.
Goat 101, isn't it? There you go. So it's a frisky.
It's the hold, put your foot. And have you got a light?
I got a little bit of a light, not much, but a little.
Alright, because you might need a light to see it. Might get